We've reached the pinnacle of Illinois wrestling as 8 local grapplers are heading off to the state finals in search of the top spot on the podium. From the 106 weight class, Q&D's ferocious freshman Ashton Myers has done everything and then some to get to state. The former Seeds of Greatness selectee is a bold 31-3 this year and will be matched up against 30-11 Dylan Swift of Dakota in the first round. With only one loss on the season, Will Lucy may be one of the most promising wrestlers to win a state title at 113 pounds. The West Hancock product makes his competition look silly on the mat. The scary thing is, he's only a sophomore, and something says we'll be seeing him in this position for the next 2 years, as he draws 25-16 Steve Bastian of Murfreesboro. Q&D senior Darren Stevens won't be an easy matchup for Cumberland's Brock Overbeck, let alone anyone at the 126 weight class. Stevens arrives at state 27-7 on the season. He's been a monster all year and seems to never run out of endurance on the mat. Not a bad year for West Hancock's Jack Lucy. Besides dominating all season, finishing 36-2, and heading to state with his little brother, Jack has also received his certificate of appointment to West Point, where he plans on continuing wrestling at the next level. Congrats on it all, Jack. We'll see you at state against Eric Estrada of Gordon Tech in the first round at 132. At 170, Macomb's Tyler Arnold is one tough young man. He's feisty out there, and he brings his A game every single time. He'll have a tough one in the preliminaries, drawing undefeated Kyle Bitorn out of McNamara. Arnold didn't get 29 wins this year by accident. He'll be more than ready for next weekend. A true hard hat and lunch pail type wrestler from Quincy, Notre Dame, 195-pound Jeffrey Haley has been Mr. Consistency this season for the Raiders. Surpassing 100 wins on his career, the 31-3 senior won't be creeping up on anyone as he enters state competition. His track record speaks for itself, and he'll be matched up against another good one in Lutheran's Austin Barnhart. Big Bad Logan Thiele from Pittsfield has been a blast to watch wrestle this season. His rare combination of strength and technique give him an advantage over his competition. He'll have Lyles Jared Arlano to deal with in the first round, a heavyweight battle Thiele will relish every bit of.